Hi, have you or your loved ones been injured in Meadows, Texas in a truck accident or an 18-wheeler accident? If so, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas Truck Accident Lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent driving of professional truck drivers or due to the faulty operations of motor carrier companies. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can call me throughout the great state of Texas or nationally at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. Go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. And download your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law, What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So give me a call at 713-766-3322 today and download your free ebook at HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. I look forward to speaking to you about your truck wreck or your 18-wheeler wreck case. As always, I hope that you have a blessed day.